you ever wondered how to tell if you're strong enough to manage everyday tasks? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving right into the 30-second sit to stand test, a fantastic way to measure your strength at home. Hi, I'm Kathy from Simple Fit Physical Therapy. If you have any pre existing injuries or conditions, please consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program. All right, without getting too technical, the sit to stand test is a test that physical therapists use to measure functional strength. It's part of a more comprehensive test battery called the Fullerton Functional Fitness Test Battery. And here's how you can do it at home. All that you'll need in order to do this test is a sturdy chair and a timer. In the official test, you would want to use a chair without arms placed against a wall to keep it from sliding. Since I'm demonstrating today, we're going to use this chair placed like this so that you'll be able to see me clearly. To start, we're going to sit in the chair with our feet about shoulder width apart. We're going to cross our arms over our chest. As we stand, we're going to push through our feet, using our legs to rise, keeping our hands crossed. As we sit down, you want to control your descent and sit all the way back down before repeating. Remember, maintain your safety at all times. When you're ready, you can start the timer. Remember, every time you stand up and sit down completely, that's one repetition. So today I'm going to go ahead and start the test. Hopefully this time the timer will go off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And that's my timer. I've completed 17 repetitions. Here are some normal values for this test based on age and sex. If you find that you're a little weaker than you'd like, you can watch my videos here. One shows how to do 6 exercises in standing, and the other, I go through the complete program and you can exercise along with me. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,